As a storm rages over Ogbodo, Amara faces Ifoma in a dramatic showdown, holding a magical charm high above her head. The winds howl and lightning flashes, intensifying the tension. Ifoma's dark spirit reveals itself, swirling ominously around her, while Udo performs a powerful ritual to break its hold. The village watches in breathless anticipation, their fate hanging in the balance. The storm's fury reflects the high stakes of this emotional confrontation, drawing everyone to the edge of their seats. In a vibrant village called Ogbodo, nestled among rolling green hills and dense forests, lived a young girl named Amara. Amara had a twin brother, Chike, and together, they brought joy to their family and community. They were beloved by everyone, especially their older sister, Ifoma, who had a reputation for being demanding and self-centered. One day, Ifoma came to Amara with a serious request. "Amara," she said, her voice stern and her eyes cold, "I want one of your twins. If you don't give me one, I will make you regret it." Amara's heart sank. She loved her brother dearly and couldn't bear the thought of losing him. But Ifoma was not someone to be crossed, known for her ruthless ways and powerful influence in the village. Her threats were not to be taken lightly. The conflict began when Ifoma's demands grew stronger. She started spreading rumors about Amara's family, saying they were cursed and would bring disaster to the village unless they complied. The village elder, wise and respected, called a meeting to address the situation. He warned that Ifoma's intentions were dark and that they must find a way to protect Chike. Amara and her family decided to seek help from a mystical healer named Udo, who lived in the heart of the forest. Udo was known for his powerful charms and wisdom. Amara, Chike, and their parents embarked on a journey through the thick jungle, guided by the calls of exotic birds and the rustling of ancient trees. When they reached Udo's hut, adorned with colorful beads and sacred symbols, the healer listened intently to their plight. He agreed to help but warned that the path to safety would be perilous. He gave them a charm made of lion's teeth and told them to keep it safe. Meanwhile, Ifoma's demands escalated. She began sabotaging the villagers' crops and causing trouble for the villagers, insisting that they support her cause. Her actions spread fear and mistrust throughout Ogbodo. Amara's family was forced to act quickly. They returned to the village, only to find that Ifoma had taken drastic measures. She had captured a local boy and was threatening to harm him if Amara did not comply. Amara was torn between her love for her family and her fear of Ifoma's cruelty. As tensions rose, Amara discovered a hidden strength within herself. She rallied the villagers, who had started to see through Ifoma's lies. With the help of Udo's charm and the support of the community, they confronted Ifoma in a dramatic showdown. The confrontation took place during a thunderstorm, with lightning flashing across the sky and the wind howling through the trees. Amara stood bravely in front of Ifoma, holding the charm high. The magic of the charm seemed to intensify the storm, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. In a moment of intense conflict, Ifoma's true nature was revealed. It turned out she had been under the influence of a dark spirit that made her act out of greed and malice. Udo arrived just in time to perform a powerful ritual, breaking the spirit's hold over Ifoma and freeing her from its control. With Ifoma's dark influence gone, she was filled with remorse for her actions. She apologized to Amara and the villagers, promising to make amends. The village slowly healed from the turmoil, and Amara and Chike's bond grew even stronger. The story ends with a festive celebration in Ogbodo, where the village honored Amara, Chike, and Udo for their bravery. Traditional drums beat rhythmically, and colorful lanterns illuminated the night sky. The villagers danced and sang, celebrating their unity in the end of the dark times. Amara looked up at the stars, feeling a deep sense of relief and accomplishment. The village was safe, and her family was whole again. She knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would face them together with courage and love. Don't miss out on thrilling stories and unforgettable adventures. Subscribe to our channel now for more gripping tales like this one, and be the first to catch all our latest content. Hit the subscribe button and join our community for exciting updates and exclusive videos.